off the track and put it on the earth. Otherwise, there would never be any need to take these things off. Or this is the shape of the
So to speak loud, so this sound.
This is the top section of the tower. You can see 4-meter dia on that side and tapering down to 3 meters on this side. This is 27 meters long.
You were talking about this railway line.
And here is railway track. Now you see we have laid out this railway track. This is a part of the production line. Such heavy pieces, they are not easy to handle. So I have put them on rotators, which you can see over here.
Yes.
They're on rotators and they are pulled by these rotators along this railway track. They come from the production hall. They go to the grid blasting yard here. Grid blasting is being done inside, and there's another shed behind it which is the finished shed.
Okay.
So then in one track, in one sequence, grid blasted, painted, and then the finished product will roll out at the end of it.
Okay. What about the boilers you were talking about?
Yes. Descon primarily is a company which makes pressure vessels, and logically from the pressure vessels the next step was the boilers. We're making a lot of boilers in Pakistan, but the thing that Descon is looking forward to right now is to get into the biomass boilers. And very soon we hope to have some sort of an agreement, technical agreement, to make such boilers in Pakistan.
Okay, so what that would mean is for all the bioenergy, biogas, waste to energy, we can get boilers from you, and when we put up these plants in Pakistan, we already have.
Descon is already making and supplying boilers in the sugar industry which burn bagasse, which is the waste coming from the crushing of sugar cane. So you are already into it. Now it's a matter of using other bio items, like you have rice husk, you can have straws, etc., all the other things, and it's just a matter of getting the right burner and the right combination of the fuel, and you've got power.
So if we use Jatropha biodiesel, it will do the same thing.
Can also do the same thing.
Great, wonderful. So what that means is that when with the Jatropha oil, when the sugar mills do not produce any bagasse, it is called bagasse in the local language, meaning the material after you take out the juice, what is left is
the bagasse, that is the sugar cane.
Sugar cane. They burn that sugar cane to produce heat or steam to run the turbine. Now when we will have biodiesel Jatropha locally grown, so we can use that to produce the steam to run the generator, and you will be making the boilers for that. Oh,
things
wow.
can be get done.
Wow, wonderful. So here this railway track that they have put, these are the wind turbine monopoles, 80 meters long, and they are 4 meters in diameter, and they are making 50 of them for one wind farm, which is a 1.5 megawatt wind turbine, which is a Nordic turbine. So instead of getting these monopoles or towers from Europe or China, it is being the raw material is here, and local engineers and local ingenuity, they are doing it right here. And he is the guy who this is his brainchild, that he has started from ground to the finished product.
Yeah, but I have a whole team that helps me along. I simply cannot say that I'm the man who can do it.
And that is the sign of this company, Descon Engineering. How many places are you located in?
We are located at two places in Pakistan, and then we have about 5 different plants in the whole of Middle East.
Okay, so Descon is in 7 places.
Descon is a multinational company.
Okay, and how many people do you talk to?
Oh, at some stage when we are doing bigger projects, we have employed up to 40 to 50,000 people, because we have done dams also. We make 1,000 people on the payroll.
Oh, this is really big by any standard. And this is pure engineering. Look at this work. Look at the finish of these monopoles. And all of these are, how much is the tolerance?
Well, you can have a look at the top here. On the slab, the tolerance is 0.3 millimeters. 0.3 millimeters on a dia of 3 meters. Because this is where the main turbine will come and fit and the blade will be there, and the generator will be driven by the blade, the wind power.
Thank you, sir. It is a pleasure.